Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Guess where I just came back from? Sam's Club. So I'm going to do another haul on my Sam's Club shopping. So everything that you see here, the glass cleaner, this was really good. This is good for somebody who has eczema or real dry skin. This was a good deal. It was only $10. And of course the air wick, plug-ins, and they have these nice pillows, so I figured I'd pick up some nice pillows. Batteries, ricotta cheese, my husband's M&Ms. So everything that you see here, and this 25-pound bag of sugar, house trash bags, outdoor trash bags, Diet Coke, Coke, Sprite, paper towels, and my husband's toilet paper. He'll be happy now. With these pillows, they're the gel memory foam pillows. They're nice and soft. I'll let you know how I like them. So everything that you see here with the sugar, the trash bags, the soda, I spent a total of $434.87, and all this will last me for quite a while, especially these containers. This is what I like to make my fudge in or my breads. So now I'll go start putting the stuff away. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching my Sam's Club haul. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.